Some people find painting trim difficult. Here are several steps that'll help you get the job done right. Here's what you'll need: caulk, a sanding block, 1.5 inch and 2.5 inch angled brushes, painter's tape, a sponge, Benjamin Moore Fresh Start primer, and Benjamin Moore Advanced paint. First, always use high quality brushes. Inexpensive brushes can leave brush marks and may lose their bristles. Use nylon or polyester brushes for water-based paint. For an oil-based paint, you can also use a natural bristle brush. Inspect the trim for stains, scuff marks, and damage. These areas should be cleaned and repaired prior to painting. If you have gaps between the trim and wall, you should fill the space with a quality paintable caulk. If your trim was painted in a glossy sheen, lightly sand it to dull the surface and help the new paint adhere. Then use a damp cloth or sponge to clean the surface when you are finished sanding and let it fully dry. If your trim required a lot of repair or patching, apply primer before applying the finished coat. Wait for it to dry completely before adding your first coat of paint. You can tape off the wall area up to the trim if you need to. Now dip your brush approximately 1/3 of the way into the paint and remove excess paint by tapping on the side of the can or container. Start with the crown molding first, then the windows and the door frames, followed by the baseboard. Apply the paint in a smooth stroke. If you press the brush lightly, the paint will release evenly and will level off, giving you a professional quality finish. That's how to paint trim the right way and save yourself time and headaches. If you have any other projects in mind, we can help. Visit your local Benjamin Moore retailer, go to benjaminmoore.com, or check out our other how-to videos.